I'm doing a quick video. It's gonna be pretty much a look at, but you'll get the idea. I've used these in the past and I purchased some new ones and I thought I'd do a video on it. The video is on this product. Now in the back it has a QR code to install. I don't know what you're gonna install. You know what, let me just see where that takes me. I'll show you before I end the video. These are little accessories that you purchase for your Apple power adapter that needs, I believe this is going from the MagSafe 1 to the MagSafe 2. So this fits on, let's say, the old MacBooks that were white and black back in the day. I can't believe that I'm saying back in the day. You know, in 2008, 2009, 2010, and then I think they came out with MagSafe 2. And this is the adapter from going from MagSafe 1 to MagSafe 2. The problem is that you end up leaving this behind on your laptop, or it gets stuck to something else because it's magnetic. So you kind of want to keep it with the adapter you're using it with. And that's where this comes in. It's a great idea. I think it's awesome to be able to continue to not lose it. And so it's a really simple idea. All you do is take this. Well, let me put this on to make it easier. Let me make sure I'm putting this on right. I believe that it goes like this, right? And then once you cover it like that, take it, run it through here, run it along. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't have done it that way. So let's try it again. I forget how I put these on. So it's probably easier to put it on first. You want to loop it around like that. See that? And then bring it, open that area up. Bring it through. That way there's a loop and it stays in place just like that. See that? Awesome. And then you put this on. And now it's long enough to put it on. That's it. Pretty cool. And it stays in place. No issues whatsoever. I have no complaints on it. It does a really good job in providing you with or actually keeping you from losing the adapter, leaving it behind. I've seen this stuck on, you know what, I've seen this stuck many times on the metal monitor risers or the shelving, you know, those small little shelves that you put on your desk to raise the monitor a little bit, maybe 3 or 4 inches. When that's metal, these things tend to stay behind. I found them under it, next to it, connected to it on the leg itself. So this will help prevent that. It's pretty cool. And then, you know, if you're switching between, like me, I have the MacBook, white MacBook, the original one from 2008 or 10. It's still working today. But my wife has the newest Mac Air, or I shouldn't say newest, probably 2015, 2016, that takes the MagSafe 2. So in this way, this is an 80-watt adapter. We can both use this adapter and not worry about, you know, losing this. So if I get the adapter, this power brick, this power adapter, when I remove this piece so I could plug this into my white MacBook, I'm not going to have an issue of losing this thing or keeping an eye on it. It'll just stay hanging off of it. And my wife needs it, does this, and it's fine. Let me see what this goes to. The scan QR code brings you to their website, which I left the link below, on how to professionally install it. So you can either follow my installation video or you can follow theirs. It's up to you. So it's up there. It'll be down below. So this will be the end of the video. I hope you liked it. It comes in a set of 2. I'll be putting this on another one, which is right here. I just have to get the other adapter. And again, real simple. You just wrap it around. And it's always good to have these adapters around. This one I bought on eBay. It's not an official Apple one. It has a USB and all that other stuff, and you choose between the different options. This is just tape. And I'll install the end of the power adapter to this. So this will be the end of the video. I hope you liked it. I hope it's helpful. Thank you. Bye.
2-pack, MagCozy Leash for Apple MagSafe to MagSafe 2 converter. Never lose a MacBook Pro to MacBook Air adapter again. Thunderbolt display, white, November 25, 2020. Cost, $7.99. Purchased on Amazon's website. Apple adapter accessories. How to install. https://cozyindustries.com/pages/install. Size, 2-pack. Color, white, no adapter included. Unique and innovative, secures Apple MagSafe to MagSafe 2 converter, adapter not included, compatible with 24-inch or 27-inch Apple LED Cinema display, Apple Thunderbolt display, Apple 45 watts and 85 watts MagSafe power adapter, MacBook Pro with Retina display and MacBook Air with MagSafe 2 power port. Perfect fit, fits both original T-style and revised L-style Apple power adapters, adapter not included. Ease of use, our patented design MagCozy fastens with locking tabs to cords and key rings, easy to use and durable. No tools required, does not look like a hardware store solution. High quality product, made of strong silicone rubber material, lots of color options to suit your style and Mac. Product description. Cozy Industries Apple Pencil Lightning Cozy Cap. MagCozy holds your MagSafe converter snugly and attaches to computer cords, Apple Cinema displays, and key rings. It keeps adapters from getting lost to bags, couches, underfoot, etc. Get to and keep an adapter handy wherever you work. You'll never have to waste time searching again. MagCozy Adapter Apple Charger Cable. MagCozy Adapter Apple Charger Cable. MagCozy Adapter Apple Charger Cable. Unique and innovative. Variety of colors. Perfect fit. Cozy Industries Tether. Designed and tested in California. Cozy designs and tests all its own products in San Francisco to exact standards using high quality materials. I make products I want to use personally. Don't settle for a knockoff. Cozy Industries products. About Cozy. Launched in my tiny bedroom in San Francisco. I started designing adapter holders because I was tired of losing them. We made it to Kickstarter 5 years ago and haven't looked back since. 2-pack, MagCozy Leash for Apple MagSafe to MagSafe 2 converter, never lose a MacBook Pro to MacBook Air adapter again, Thunderbolt display, white. Product information. Size: 2-pack, color white, no adapter included. Package dimensions 4.5 by 2.7 by 0.3 inches. Item weight 0.16 ounces. Manufacturer Cozy Industries. ASIN B00FA1Z23E. Item model number MCWH12.